Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to create a website using a website builder. First, understand that website builders simplify the entire process, making it accessible to everyone. These platforms offer intuitive drag-and-drop interfaces, allowing you to visually arrange elements on your page without writing a single line of code. You can choose from hundreds of professionally designed templates, giving your site a polished look right from the start. It's a fantastic way to get online quickly and efficiently, even if you're a complete beginner. Choosing the right website builder is a crucial step. Think about your specific needs. Do you require e-commerce capabilities, a blog, or a portfolio? Many popular builders like Wix, Squarespace, or Shopify cater to different purposes. Most offer free trials or basic plans, allowing you to test their features before committing. Also, ensure the builder supports responsive design, so your website looks great on all devices, from desktops to smartphones. This ensures a broad reach for your content. Now for the fun part, designing your website. Start by selecting a template that resonates with your brand and the purpose of your site. Don't be afraid to customize it extensively. Change colors, choose engaging fonts, and upload high-quality images or videos. Remember to organize your content logically, creating clear menus and pages. A well-structured site with intuitive navigation keeps visitors engaged and helps them find information quickly. Aim for a consistent look and feel across all your pages. Once your website is designed and all content is in place, it's time to launch. Most builders make this incredibly simple, often just a click of a button. Before publishing, ensure you've connected your custom domain name for a professional touch. After launch, remember that website maintenance is ongoing. Regularly update your content, check for any broken links, and review your site's performance. This ensures your website remains fresh, relevant, and continues to serve its purpose effectively for your audience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.